Perfect tea break. Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now I personally love and enjoy a nice cup of hot and strong chai. Today I'm going to share this popular Kadak Chai recipe which is known for its strong and rich flavors. So let's get started and check out the super Kadak Chai. For the Kadak Chai, first I'm going to pound 3 cardamom pods and a piece of ginger that I've roughly cut up. Pound the cardamom and ginger together. This is going to give a very nice flavor to the chai. I'm making this chai for 2 people. So if you're making for more, you can always double the quantity. I've taken 1 250 ml cup of water. So the water is just heating up. First I'm going to add the pound ginger and cardamom. First we need to get those flavors in. Once the water comes to a nice rolling boil, I'm just going to add the tea granules. Since we are making Kadak Chai, which is going to be nice and strong, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of tea. After about a minute of boiling, I'm adding 3 teaspoons of sugar. Now you can adjust the sweetness according to your taste. For 1 cup of water, I've taken 1 cup of boiled milk. So let the tea boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm just going to turn off the stove and let's strain the tea. It's time to enjoy this super strong Kadak Chai. Wow, the flavors of cardamom and ginger and that nice strong and rich flavor of tea. It's just bliss. Well, a little snack here for me. Chai and biscuit. Perfect tea break. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.